falling to pieces in my room. You're coming over, that's cool. I could use a little something to do. Could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool.
Oh, nak pergi mana, Ma? Nak pergi KLIA. Lepas tu nak pergi mana? Pergi New Zealand. Kita dah sampai dekat KLIA. So hari ni flight pergi ke Singapore. Our transit pukul 5 petang. So sekarang ni ada masa time to kill. So dorang tengah semayang dulu. Okay, bye. Kita dah ada dalam flight nak pergi Christchurch. It's going to be 9 hours journey. 9 jam. 9 hours kan? 9 hours I think. 9 hours. Kita akan sampai pukul 9.30 pagi dekat sana. Hopefully boleh tidur dengan selesa. Because everyone is supporting MU, I'm supporting Saville. Look at his frustrated face. Okay, sekarang ni kita tengah tunggu ayah ambil kereta. So just waiting outside. So tengoklah tengah hujan. Tengah hujan. And these are our bags. Even our bags are wet from the rain. Kita ada 6 bags. Tak tahu lah muat ke tak dalam kereta. Hopefully muatlah semua bag ni. Macam-macam warna tu. Rasa tak letak. Nanti kotor. Kisah banjir raya. Kita dah sampai Lincoln University. Dekat sini kita nak beraya. And kat sini ramai Malaysian lagi. So let's go that way. So it took us about 20 minutes from kat mana tadi kita? From the center that we prayed our solat raya just now. Okay, sekarang ni tengah beratur. Ramailah juga ya orang.
Tak, sana air. Koyakkan lagi.
It's autumn here. Yeah.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic. But who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone.
Kita dah sampai Countdown, which is a supermarket in New Zealand. Okay, so let's go. And which one do you want to take? Let's take this one. Ini groceries yang kita orang nak beli. Tapi telur tak ada. Oh my god.
Tell me where you've been, yeah, since our break. I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through. Though you still deserve better, you stick with me, cause everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together. falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to.
Hi guys, we are in Queenstown, New Zealand and doing paragliding flight with Eileen.
Yes.
And we take off from background from 750 meters and our altitude is almost same. How do you feel? Good?
Yeah, the view is very beautiful.
Awesome.
I'm in love.
And we will fly this way to Flight Park.
Yes.
Still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. We belong together, me and you forever.
This is the kitchen.
I'm falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through open window.
Hello. Sekarang ni kita ada dekat Airbnb dekat Lake Tekapo. So now it's actually almost 5 o'clock dan nak maghrib is like almost 6 lah, 6 o'clock. So just nak jalan-jalan around our Airbnb. Kat sini kita boleh duduk dan relax. Tu kat bawah ni tak boleh nak turun sebab tak ada any tangga. Tapi ni kawasan rumah orang lain lah. Kat sana ada bukit. Our Airbnb ni tak nampak lake because lake is like actually downhill. Kita orang dekat bahagian atas and hanya nampak gunung. Tomorrow we're heading back to Christchurch. Bye. Adik nak balik dah.